F-1 visa. What to do if your application is rejected? Applying for an F-1 student visa is a crucial step for international students aspiring to study in the United States. However, despite thorough preparation, visa applications can sometimes be rejected, leaving students feeling disappointed and uncertain about their next steps. A visa denial doesn't mean the end of your academic dreams. It's often an opportunity to reassess, strengthen your application, and try again with a better approach. Understanding the reasons behind the rejection, addressing the specific issues, and preparing more effectively can significantly improve your chances in subsequent interviews. This video will walk you through the essential steps to take if your F-1 visa application is rejected, helping you turn this setback into a stepping stone toward achieving your educational goals in the US. If your F-1 visa application is rejected, it can be disappointing, but you still have options to improve your chances for the next attempt. Here's a step-by-step guide on what to do after an F-1 visa rejection. 1. Understand the reason for rejection. If your F-1 visa application is rejected, the first and most important step is to understand the reason behind the refusal. After the interview, the consular officer will provide you with a refusal letter specifying the section of U.S. immigration law under which your application was denied. The most common reasons include Section 214(b), where the officer believes you failed to demonstrate strong ties to your home country or didn't convince them that you are a genuine student. Another frequent reason is Section 221(g), which refers to administrative processing, meaning additional background checks or documents are required before a final decision can be made. Some applications are also rejected due to incomplete documentation or insufficient financial proof to cover tuition and living expenses. If the reason for the denial isn't clear from the letter, don't hesitate to politely ask the officer for clarification before leaving the interview. Understanding the exact cause of rejection is crucial for making improvements in your next application. 2. Analyze and address the problem. After identifying the reason for your rejection, the next step is to critically analyze your application and address the specific issues. If your visa was refused under Section 214(b), due to weak ties to your home country, you'll need to strengthen your case by providing evidence of strong family, social, or economic connections that prove your intention to return after completing your studies. This could include documents related to property ownership, a secure job offer in your home country, or family obligations that require your presence. If the issue was financial, focus on gathering stronger financial documents to show you have sufficient funds to cover your education and living costs. This might involve updated bank statements, scholarship letters, or proof of student loans. Additionally, if your rejection was due to poor interview performance, practice answering common F-1 visa questions confidently and clearly. Visa officers are trained to spot inconsistencies, so it's essential to be honest and well prepared. 3. Reapply when ready. Once you've addressed the issues that led to your rejection, you can reapply for the F-1 visa. There is no mandatory waiting period after a visa refusal, which means you can schedule a new interview as soon as you feel ready with a stronger application. To reapply, you'll need to complete a new DS-160 form, pay the visa application fee again, since it's non-refundable, and book another appointment at the U.S. Embassy or consulate. This time, ensure you are fully prepared with updated documents that clearly address the reasons for your previous rejection. A well-organized application and a confident interview can significantly improve your chances of success in your next attempt. 4. What to say in your next interview. During your next F-1 visa interview, it's important to be honest about your previous rejection if the officer brings it up. Acknowledge the denial and focus on explaining what has changed since your last application. This could include improvements in your financial situation, updated documents, or a clearer explanation of your academic and career goals. Consular officers appreciate applicants who are honest, self-aware, and well-prepared. Demonstrating that you've taken concrete steps to strengthen your application since the last interview can make a positive impression. Maintain a calm and confident demeanor, as your attitude during the interview can also influence the officer's decision. 5. When to consider seeking help. If you're still unsure why your F-1 visa was rejected or if you've been denied multiple times, it might be beneficial to seek professional guidance. Consulting with an education consultant who specializes in U.S. student visas can provide valuable insights into how to strengthen your application. Additionally, you can reach out to your university's designated school official, DSO, for advice and support, as they often have experience dealing with visa-related issues. It may also help to connect with other students who have successfully obtained F-1 visas to learn from their experiences. Getting a fresh perspective can help identify areas for improvement that you might have overlooked. 6. Final thoughts. Facing an F-1 visa rejection can be disheartening, but it's important not to lose hope. Many students secure their visas after a second or even third attempt by addressing the issues that led to their initial denial. Persistence, thorough preparation, and clear communication are key to turning a rejection into an approval. With the right strategy, you can improve your application and succeed in your goal of studying in the United States. In conclusion, facing an F-1 visa rejection can be challenging, but it's important to remember that it's not the end of your journey toward studying in the United States. Many students experience visa denials and successfully obtain approval after reassessing their applications, addressing the issues that led to the rejection, and preparing more effectively for their next interview. The key is to understand the specific reason for the refusal, make the necessary improvements, whether related to financial documentation, interview performance, or demonstrating strong ties to your home country, and approach the reapplication process with renewed confidence. With persistence, careful preparation, and a positive mindset, you can overcome this temporary setback and move one step closer to achieving your academic aspirations in the U.S.